Have the clouds mixing with the blue sky. It's just been lovely. Everyone loved the weekend, I'm sure. And then moving into today, our temperatures stayed in the 70s. Now, if you do happen to like it a little warmer, we will get there pretty soon. Tomorrow and through most of this week, we will be back into the 80s. Dew points have risen. Over the weekend, they were in the 40s. Very dry air. Still feels great outside today, but the dew point has risen into the 50s. And then for the rest of the week, especially later tomorrow and into Wednesday and Thursday, you'll certainly notice that humidity coming back. Tomorrow still looks good, a little bit warmer. Again, highs closer to about 80 as opposed to middle 70s like we saw today. Rain does return, it looks like Wednesday and Thursday. Pretty decent chances for some scattered showers and a few storms. And we've been talking about another cool down for next weekend. Not the greatest news this evening. It looks like it's going to be a very slight cool down, if anything, for next weekend, but looks like a mostly dry weekend at least. Current temperatures in the 70s right now. Winds coming in mainly from the northeast, and the story of this week will be eventually easterly winds and then southeast winds over the next couple of days, and that will bring in that humidity and eventually enough moisture for that rain on Wednesday and Thursday. Currently, though, we still have high pressure at the surface in place, a couple of different high pressure locations. Our hour-by-hour forecast through this evening brings our temperatures into the 60s. Overall looks really pleasant. If you haven't gotten a chance to get outside today for some reason, this evening would be very pleasant too. Overnight, our moon, by the way, will be nearly full. It's full tomorrow night and into early Wednesday morning, so it'll look nice and big tonight too. Our North Shore temperatures make it into the 50s. South of the lake, lower 60s. So overall a pretty cool and pleasant sort of day. And then tomorrow highs close to 80 degrees or so. A few more clouds, a little bit warmer than we saw today. Independence, you're looking for a pretty pleasant day tomorrow. Mix of clouds with some of the sunshine. And then on Wednesday, our rain chance goes up. For now, we'll keep it near about 60 to 70% chance for some scattered rain on Wednesday. Not everybody will get rain. I'll show you in a second, but it looks like a decent chance. Thursday, about a 50% chance. Slight chance on Friday. That's when it looks like this weak front may be getting close to us or moving through. And it looks mostly dry for the weekend. But when I show you the temperatures in the 7-day forecast, it won't be that big a difference from what we're seeing in the next few days. Precision cast as we get into it, and I'll show you so you can make your plans. Notice that by 4 p.m. tomorrow, still dry, just a few more clouds than we saw today perhaps. We'll fast forward to Wednesday morning. Looks mostly quiet. We may have a couple of stray showers early. Watch what happens for the afternoon. We see the scattered rain, and again, it won't be everywhere, tons of downpours, but we'll have some rain on Wednesday and then into Thursday too, as this next cool front approaches. So the rain Q&A this week, just kind of the big bullet points. Wednesday and Thursday, how much? Models are indicating up to maybe 1 to 1.5 inches on the higher side. And severe storms, not really looking for a setup like that, but it does look like there might be just enough dry air kind of farther up in the atmosphere to bring maybe a high wind gust or two. So if anything, I think it would be a stray, strong storm, mainly on Wednesday. We'll keep you updated, but doesn't look like it'll be widespread at all. There's your forecast. The weekend looking okay. It looks like a nice weekend, but just a touch above average for this point in the year. A little on the warm side, maybe warmer than what we would like to see in October.